Hey guys, welcome to Math Channel. 17 minus 7 times 17 minus 7 in parentheses. So 17 minus 7 gives us 10. Now 17 minus 7 gives us 10. Now we have 10 times 10, that this expression is equals to 100. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics, PEMDAS, we have to solve this expression in this way. First, parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, we have one parenthesis that we have to solve it first. So 17 minus 7 gives us 10. Now we have 17 minus 7, and we have one multiplication here, and this 10. Now, as we know, multiplication has higher priority than this expression. So we have to solve this multiplication first. 7 times 10 gives us 70. Now we have 17 minus 70. That is equals to 53. The final answer is 53. Thank you for watching.